Hi, we're the beacon management system for Scheels. Bryant, David, Shannon, and I, McKenna, are members of the group. Our sponsors from Scheels are April and Josh. Scheels is a sporting goods store with locations across the U.S. in 13 states and is 100% employee-owned. They have been around since 1902 and currently have 27 locations. With so many locations, Scheels has many customers. Customers are always needing more information about products. However, there isn't always an employee around to answer questions. This issue brought about last year's project, the Lift and Learn project, and our project, the Beacon Management System. These projects allow customers to lift up products and learn more about them from a nearby screen, displaying more information about the product. This could lead to future data analysis on which products are looked at more often. The magic technology behind this is Bluetooth beacons. They are able to detect movement and interact with smartphones. Another piece of technology that makes this happen is a mirror. A mirror is a video beacon that is able to scan for beacons or collect data from the app and display the information. Our task was to create an app that would be used by sales floor associates to configure Bluetooth beacons to store the right product information. Our app would also allow employees to edit product information before the data was live on a monitor. This is an overall view of the beacon management system. Our database is a MySQL database that stores SKU information. An API we created can send queries and get query hits back from the database. Our app is able to interact with this API. For example, if we wanted SKU 123, our app would send an HTTP request to our API. Our API would then receive the request and send a query to our database asking for information about SKU 123. If our database has the SKU, it will return the data it found to the API. Our API would then send an HTTP response with the data back to our app. Our app also interacts with another API, the STML Cloud. This API lets us add attachments to a beacon, which hold information. In this case, the attachments hold SKU information. These attachments can be updated or changed. Our mirror also interacts with the STML API. It continuously scans for moving beacons, and when it finds one, it gets the attachment information for the beacon and displays the information, thus allowing customers to get the data they need for a product. Employees would have this app on an MC40, where they would first be able to open the app, select a beacon they would like to configure, then they would be able to select a monitor. Next, a product would be assigned. This can be done by a SKU, or they have the option to edit the existing data on the beacon. They can even change the main photo. After, they can preview the changes and submit. Now when customers lift up a shoe, for example, they can see the information displayed.